Hello everyone, I am Saloni Kumari from Industrial and Systems Engineering Department at IIT Kharagpur, and my roll number is 21IM10028. This is my third DIY assignment, and according to it I will be disassembling and assembling this electric kettle and showing its working before and after the procedure. It contains three parts. First is the glass lid, which has a hole in it for the vapors to pass, and the second is the jar, which is made up of stainless steel, and the lower part is made up of plastic, which is resistant to heat. This is LED, which glows when the kettle is turned on, and this is temperature regulator. When this dot points towards off, that means the kettle is turned off, and if we rotate this point towards high, then the temperature of the kettle will be increased. The third part is the base, which has a wire connected with the plug. Here you can see it has two dots. Those are made up of copper. One is positive and another one is negative. The kettle has two connectors. So when we place the kettle above the base, the two dots gets in contact with the two concentric connectors, and this is how current supplied from base to the kettle. Now I am switching on the kettle, and you can see the LED glowing, which indicates that the kettle is turned on. Now I am switching it off. Now let's disassemble it and see what are the components present inside. It basically has three screws that I need to open. I am using Phillips head screwdrivers for the purpose. Oh, I need to open these two screws as well. This is the interior part of the kettle. The two wires are connected across the black part, which draws current from base to the kettle. This is the heating element made up of nichrome, and it has been sealed under a metal frame. This is the phase wire, which is connected with a voltage regulator. When the voltage across the coil is increased, then the heat generated by the coil increases, which in turn increases the temperature of the kettle. The phase wire is further connected with the LED, so that's why the LED glows when the kettle is turned on. This is the overall circuit. Now I am going to assemble it. So my kettle got assembled finally. I'm going to test whether it is still in working condition or not. I'm switching on the kettle. So you can see the LED started glowing, means the kettle is turned on, and it has become warm. I'm switching it off again. Thank you.